Hello, my name is Yogesh, and I work as a software engineer for TI. We are at Embedded Recipes 2026 in Nice, France. It's a very nice weather today, and I'm demoing the EV charging solution based on AM62L processors. So right here we have the demo setup, and one part of the demo is AM62L EVM, and the other part of the demo is the daughter card, which is the TIDA 939 board, which is a combination of power line communication and an MSPM0 for safety, and together they make a combination where the AM612 does all the HMI stuff, and the MSPM0 along with the PLC does take care of all the communication with the PLC. And for our demo setup we have two sets. One acts as an EV charger, other acts as an electric vehicle, and they are both communicating over ISO 15118.2 protocols. And we have a full charging session ongoing. And along with the demo, what we have here is the culmination of different software features. Primarily, the demo can not only communicate with the EV charger, but also go into low power modes. One of such low power mode is the DSS self-refresh mode, where the HMI is on, but the SoC and everything is off. And now you see it going into the ultra low power mode where even the display is off. So the idea is that your EV charger can go into low power modes when no one is using them, and they can just pop back up when someone comes in, or is there an interrupt or a proximity sensor, right? And once that is done, the EV charger connects to your car and starts the whole charging up. So that's the demo in short. Thank you so much.